Hello everyone, I want to share with you a drill that was shared with me by one of my subscribers, Ricardo. This is the Darren Appleton 9-ball drill, which I am really liking. It has some characteristics of the Nick Varner 9-ball drill, but the balls are in a different location. One of the things I found when I first tried to shoot it, I did run it out, but I had to muscle my way through. I never hit another ball, but I had to force a lot of shots. So what I discovered was that this is really a finesse drill. Position play is really put at a premium. You've got to really stay in line if you want to be able to go through this thing with ease. And like with any challenge, staying in line is not always easy. So when getting out of line, it's a recovery situation, and this exercise presents great challenge. And once we've taken out those corner balls, now we've got a line of balls down the center of the table that we have to negotiate, yet maintain the correct angles to get to the next shot. I want to also point out that I'm using my ICA system and I've marked the location, so I've stored this drill in my favorite pool drills from pro players. I'm ranking this one right up there in the top 5 of all time that I've found. So if you guys give this one a shot, let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you find is the easiest and what is the most difficult aspect of this drill. So this position on the 7, I came up a little bit short, but I pull it off and I've decided to draw my cue ball away from the 8 and come over 2 cushions. I actually landed a little tiny bit short, but I'm okay with this cut because I have a nice angle to come back down for the 9. If you like this drill, please share this with others and also hit the thumbs up. And please check out my website, ronthepoolstudent.com, and check out our merch. And if you want to see another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.